everything. I made a couple of really big changes to the car. We had a diff sent out and rebuilt by one of our friends at Team Rip Engineering. And then we have some wider tires, and we put on some softer springs in the rear. So we made some pretty big changes, just getting a feel for it. But today might be our only dry day, so I'm definitely going to have to get a little bit more into the send it mode.
The first session, the car ran great. The driver clearly needs some work, but everybody watching already knows that. It's the first time back at Road Atlanta in this car in a couple of years, so it was great. You know, we did some changes between the last race at COTA. Obviously, we had some issues, so we just did 5 laps behind Savannah. She walked away from us, you know.
Maybe a little bit.
Maybe a little, just a little bit. Don't watch the video. Don't cut the video. But yeah, the car ran great. I had no smoke out of the tailpipe, so I think the oil pressure regulator from TurboSmart worked. The new radiator and fan setup from Mishimoto worked great. So far so good. Just gotta learn how to drive it. And beat Savannah.
Go fast.
We're faster than Kevin.
Officially?
Yeah.
Did you hear that, Kevin? She's officially faster than you.
Yes, she is. You already were here, I thought. I knew it in my head, so it's okay.
What did you get?
30 low.
34.5.
Oh, fuck yeah. I think, dude.
You'll get more tomorrow.
had any good luck today. We've got a lot of black flags. I think we turned 4 laps today total, so it's a little frustrating, but that's kind of the nature of time attack. We're trying to get it done. We did go a little bit faster, about half a second faster, before the session was ended early. So hopefully in this last session we can get it done, because we definitely, like, that 33 is there. I just need the lap
I'm pretty
to put
sure
it down.
you ran a 34.0.
I ran a 34.0 something, yeah. So really close to that goal of a 33. Just really need to make it happen. So hopefully we can. I think if the track stays dry and hopefully there's no more oil put down on it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of cars losing fluids out here, so it's making the track pretty slick in some areas. It's making it harder to go faster in some places. So we're obviously trying to leave here in one piece, but at the same time, like, we want to meet our goal. So hammer down next time.
Well, we had a little mishap out there.
Look how low it is. All right, guys. So we went out for that last session, and we knew we had some time and some braking, and I pushed it a little bit too much, I think. We were behind Subaru, and we were catching them pretty quick. We were similar on power. So I tried to catch them in the braking a little bit. I outbraked them. Obviously, I outbraked them a little bit too much. The car doesn't have any ABS, and I'm on these Toyo tires, so I don't really have a whole lot of grip compared to Savannah. And as you can see, I barely missed hitting the Subaru. Overbraked it, blew a hole in the tire, and went off for a little adventure. That was probably the scariest thing I've ever experienced in a race car, but luckily the Subaru driver had great heads up. He moved out of the way. It was perfect. Nobody hit anybody. And the car seems okay. I just need to put a new tire on. Not how we wanted to finish the weekend, but I'll take it. The car ran awesome all weekend. Just need to fix the driver.
Now just needs a bath.
Yeah, she needs a bath. She definitely needs a bath.
All right. We live to tell, Kevin, so it's all good.
Yeah.
Here.
I did go faster. Not much. You can put your whole hand in the hole there.
Put your, oh, I see the hole right there.
Oh, right here.
Holy camole.
Isn't that? Oh, okay, the rubber.
Yeah, that's a hole.
I can fit my whole hand inside the wheel.
What?
Your time.
33.5.
Hug your car.
I have James to thank for sending me to John at Team
John knows his stuff.
because he set up a diff that made this thing go a second and a half faster.
And probably like seconds faster in confidence.
Yeah, no, and then now it's just retraining my right foot to like do great override. It's fine.
Right
It's
foot
fine.
thing.
Yeah. So we just went out for the last session of the day. Car feels amazing. I have no complaints at all. All the time that's left in the car is in the driver. So I just need to retrain my right foot to do what my brain says. My brain says it's fine, but my right foot's like, this doesn't seem right. So once we get to trust the new diff and the new setup, it's gonna be like a whole new car. I'm really excited. It feels the best it's ever felt. We went way faster than we've ever gone here, and we beat our personal best, and we got our goal. Our goal was a 33. We got a 33.5. I think a 32 was in it. Unfortunately, we didn't get very much track time, so hopefully when we come back, now that we're local, we can get into the 32s pretty simple.
And first place, anyone that was watching the stream saw her on track, Miss Savannah Little at a 1:33.577 in Juku Racing in her Nissan 350Z. She also gets a swag pack and a Waypoint watch for winning the class.
Personal best, and we brought home some hardware. Super stoked. The number 916 in Juku Racing LS350Z felt the best it ever has and ran completely issue-free all weekend. The rest of the time is definitely up to me to figure out just to trust that right foot again now that Team Rip Engineering got our diff feeling like it should. Kevin had a little bit of an off. I'm sure you guys heard about that, but the car is all good to go, so just needs cleaned up. Otherwise, we're ready to party at Hyperfest next weekend. We'll see you guys there.